long, so we couldn't make it.
Yeah, because you need to cut it in 2 halves.
Yes, so we forgot to say bye in the last video.
So
We're so sorry. Forget to say bye. This actually took us so long.
Then now it's finished.
No, wait. I'm finishing my last one.
And now we need to get the arms stand. Don't we?
Oh yeah, for what?
For the humans.
Oh yeah,
To be sucked on.
like Jesse and other people.
Yeah, they're all gonna have.
This is just the face, you know, guys.
What?
Oh yeah, cause I did too many. I put them too many normal stands. I'll just break one. I'll just go somewhere and break one. So I'll
No,
just.
I need 3 because remember there's.
I'm just going. Oh yeah. Well, let's just not do the people. Just do them.
That is how we make
Is
it.
it finished?
Yeah.
Okay. So, bye guys. The video's finished.